Brands fight to protect their logos, but Lacoste gave it away just to protect some endangered species. Welcome back to Marketing Uncharted, and today we are discussing the Save Our Species campaign by Lacoste. This campaign is a great example of how Lacoste actually gave up one of their greatest asset, their identity, their logo, for a campaign which sold out 1775 t-shirts and generated a 300,000 euro to 325,000 euro revenue directly for IUCN and creating a global level awareness for endangered species. This campaign was in partnership with IUCN to create awareness for 10 endangered species. What Lacoste did was to remove their iconic crocodile logo from their classic polo neck t-shirts and embroider the silhouettes of these endangered species. The goal wasn't to earn revenue or just donation. The goal was to create awareness at a global level. This campaign was built on a very powerful tactic. It was scarcity related to reality. The number of t-shirts produced, 1775, was exactly the number of total of these 10 endangered species currently present on this earth, and every individual silhouette was exactly the number of that species present on this earth on that day. For example, only 30 t-shirts were made with the silhouette of Vaquita porpoise because until that day only 30 of that species was present on this earth. With this campaign, Lacoste proved that having a powerful stand can be a great engine for your business growth. This turned the purchase into high stakes. It made people part of a reality, and therefore the scarcity led to a very high demand. What business impact did this campaign create? 1. It was an instant sellout. The whole collection almost sold out immediately. It also garnered a lot of free press, and that too globally. And thirdly, it was an instant refresh for the brand because they associated themselves with a mission that was fresh and had a perspective attached to a lot of emotional aspect. The Save Our Species campaign by Lacoste is proof that when an idea is executed to perfection, it can be a game changer. They turned a simple product into a global conversation based on trust, scarcity, and execution. If you would like us to bring more such campaigns to you, and if you've liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.